We got the pastina. Which one does Ella like?
She likes all of them. And she showed me a recipe on TikTok. Bone broth, a beaten egg, and some Parmigiano Reggiano.
Yeah, this is like solid, really flavorful. Oh yeah, it's the bone broth. It's my kind of soup. Pastina. It's the first food most babies are given from their Italian parents or grandparents. And it's the first thing you get when you're sick.
Yeah, it's Nonna's Penicillin.
It's the ultimate comfort food on a cold day when you need something in 5 minutes.
And our daughter Ella's favorite.
So we have a child that says that different pasta shapes taste different.
Yes, our middle one does not want pastina.
She says the rigatoni has a different taste than penne.
Which, it's all the same.
These are all the different shapes, and ultimately it's all the exact same thing. Ancini di pepe, these are just like little, I don't know.
Little balls.
Little balls. Seme di melone, this one's like an orzo.
A melon seed.
See, that's why I keep her around. We got farfalline.
A little butterfly.
And what do we have here?
These are little tubetti, right?
Pepe bucato.
Okay, but they're little, tiny little tubes.
Yeah, okay, you're always right. It's all good. And then we've got stelline.
I like the little stars.
I know, they're cute. All the pasta that we have brought up is imported from Italy. The pasta that comes from Italy is easier to digest, often because of the flour that they use. They use more semolina flour.
The flour, the water, and they just have stricter food laws there.
So the brands that we have here today are some of the more popular brands that you'll find in all our Vince's locations. We've got the Cecco, which is famous. We've got Rummo, and then we've got Garofalo as well. They're all phenomenal products made in Italy.
So you can make your own broth at home, but what I usually do, because when my kids want something, they want it quick. Now, most recently, I've been using bone broth for the health benefits of that. Traditional bouillon, like the square cubes that I used to use, I have learned that they contain MSG, and one of my good friends, Christina, told me that contributes to migraines. And so we have switched to either this Better Than Bouillon or organic bouillon cubes, which does not contain MSG.
It's a paste.
You only need a little bit, very concentrated.
Yeah, and it's excellent. Like the flavoring has been phenomenal with it. But this bone broth seems to be back in popularity. We have 2 different types, right? Beef and chicken.
Yeah.
The My Butcher brand. This comes from Lassonde, which is a very large Canadian company. So they're starting to mass manufacture it. So the pricing has become a lot more reasonable than it was in the past. This is going to be pretty clean label. So just beef broth, you got some apple cider vinegar in there, a little bit of beef extract, sea salt, some sugars, onion powder, tomato powder. The chicken doesn't?
No, just chicken broth, sea salt, canola oil.
Cool.
Very clean.
So clean labels and great flavor.
I'm gonna use the chicken bone broth and just make
The viral TikTok pastina.
Pastina that she showed me.
How long is this gonna take?
I would say 10 minutes
10
start to
minutes.
finish. Okay, let's do this.
That's your line, eh? Let's do this. Oh, so you don't even use water?
No, you just use this. That's your base. The bone broth has come to a boil, so I'm going to put Pastina. And this one takes 6 minutes. See, it has absorbed some of the liquid. So I just took this off the heat now and add some butter in there. So I will pre-beat the egg, whisk in the egg. And we take this off the heat because we don't want the egg to scramble. We just want it to like make it silky, which it did scramble a bit. And then we're gonna just add a healthy amount of Parmesan cheese. And that's it. It is ready.
That looks good. It doesn't need any more Parmigiano, does it?
I don't think so. Now you can make it more soupy and add less pasta and more liquid if you want it more liquidy, but I know you like it pretty thick.
Yeah. TikTok generally gets it right. The stuff that usually becomes popular, you look at it and you think, and then you try it and it's like, okay, this is good.
Ella showed us.
I know, our daughter.
Our daughter.
Our daughter. Thanks, Ella. You're the best.